I did want to speak to, if you have time, I did want to speak a little bit to what you were asking me yesterday, Liz, um, like how to correct students in a safe manner, right? Basically, is what you were, yeah. And I think I demonstrated a little bit of that today, is to, instead of focusing on what they're doing wrong, focus on what they're doing right, and focus on the next steps as a next step, you know. Also, that's why the short works, because you can be matter of fact about fixing technique, right? Just like, oh yeah, straighten your wrist and then move on, right? Rocket ship wrist for you, move on, or whatever, right? It becomes, just a thing rather than an issue, and addressing, sometimes you have that kid who just won't, lift their thumb, whatever it is, address the whole class, right? Instead of singling out people, or plan to review those things that are uh, still issues. Plan to review it at the beginning of class, right? And keep doing things like that. But and also reminding them that, yeah, you can go the wrong way to the store. That's okay. All you have to do is turn around and go the right way. And if you're ready to go the right way, I'll show you how. And sometimes you have to wait. You have to wait till they want to, right? Or you can ask them, what would you like to work on now? Rather than being the teacher and deciding, oh, they really have to fix this and trying to get them to do it every week. Well, it didn't work, right? So give them the choice, because they may be bothered by something else. And I think, I don't work with little kids, but experiment with giving little kids more choice too, the really little ones. Um, I think they know. I think they know, and it's better to give them ownership over their progress than to be the one feeding them all the time what they should do next, what they should do next. So just those are things to think about.